Yeah, hi, my name is Anaaya, and I'm an incoming sophomore at Doherty Valley High School, and my project is the Magic Mirror. I chose this project because I thought I was interested in doing a more software-heavy program. It does still have a lot of hardware, but it's more programming-based, and I also wanted to try a new language. I also felt that this was a project that I could build on long-term and have in my room. So first, for my base project, I downloaded a code from GitHub from the Magic Mirror website. And this set up the clock, weather, compliments, news, and calendar modules. And to set up the weather module, I had to go to the weather key website and find the specific code for my area and then input that into a configuration file so that it would enter the weather for my specific location. I also added Spotify camera and two little buttons on the bottom of my screen. For the buttons, one makes the screen go blank and the other allows me to exit out of the magic mirror. There were also a few modules that I didn't want on my mirror, including the calendar, news, and compliments, so I deleted those through the configuration file again. For the hardest components, there were definitely the Spotify and Alexa modules. I didn't end up getting the Alexa because most of the programming was outdated. I also tried to use the Google Assistant, which I re-downloaded many times, but it still didn't end up working. For the Spotify, the biggest issue was verifying my account to use it in the mirror. And to solve this, I redid the process with a different tutorial from the website, and that seemed to work better. In the end, I learned a lot about coding with JavaScript because I had never worked with it before. And my favorite part of the project was definitely getting my modules to work at the end, since it took me a lot of time and the end result was really satisfying. And now I have my demo. So as you can see, the time shows up in the top left and the weather on the top right. And then on the bottom here on the left is my Spotify. I can turn up the volume too. And then this first button shuts off the mirror so that you can just look at yourself. And then the other one would allow me to exit out. Any questions?
Never mind.
Sorry.
Go, Leo. Go. You go.
Like, what is the modification that you plan to make in the future?
If I can, I'll definitely try to get the Alexa to work. And then there was also the Smart Touch, which unfortunately didn't arrive on time, so I plan to add that. And the LED lights, which also had some trouble with shipping.